Omnisend and MailerLite take very different approaches to email marketing, which makes this comparison important. Omnisend is designed with e-commerce in mind, offering automation and multi-channel messaging to help online stores drive more sales. MailerLite, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity, affordability, making it a great choice for content creators, small businesses, and anyone who wants an easy-to-use platform without too many complexities. So, if you're deciding between the two, understanding their strengths and differences can help you make the right choice for your business. What are Omnisend and MailerLite? Omnisend is an omni-channel marketing automation tool, which means it's designed to help businesses run marketing campaigns across multiple channels. While it's known for email marketing, Omnisend goes a step further by integrating SMS, push notifications, and even retargeting ads on platforms like Facebook and Google. It's geared more towards e-commerce businesses, making it a strong choice for online stores that want to take a more integrated, comprehensive approach to their marketing. Now, on the other hand, MailerLite is a simpler, more affordable platform that's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses or those just getting started with email marketing. It's less complex than Omnisend, but still offers all the essential tools that most businesses need to create effective email campaigns. So, while both platforms are built to help you with email marketing, they each have their own strengths and areas of focus. So let's break down these platforms in more detail to help you figure out which one suits your needs best. Omnisend Features. Now, Omnisend is all about offering a complete marketing experience, especially for e-commerce businesses. One of the standout features of Omnisend is its multi-channel marketing. If you're running an e-commerce store, you probably know that email is just one piece of the puzzle. With Omnisend, you can send emails, SMS messages, and even push notifications all from one platform. This is especially useful for businesses that want to reach their customers through different touch points, making sure that no one misses out on their promotions or updates. For e-commerce stores, Omnisend offers specific tools designed to help grow sales. For example, you can set up cart abandonment emails that automatically send when a customer leaves an item in their cart. This is huge for businesses trying to recover sales that they might have otherwise lost. Now, Omnisend also offers product recommendations and the ability to add discount codes directly into your emails. Another great feature is advanced segmentation. Omnisend lets you create detailed customer segments based on behaviors, like whether they've opened your emails, clicked on a link, or made a purchase. This allows you to send more targeted, relevant emails. For instance, you could send a special offer to customers who've abandoned their cart but haven't made a purchase yet, or offer a birthday discount to customers whose birthdays are coming up. The possibilities are nearly endless with the level of segmentation available. Omnisend also integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it a no-brainer for anyone running an online store. It's these kind of features that make Omnisend an all-in-one solution for e-commerce marketing, but they come at a price. MailerLite Features. In comparison, MailerLite is much simpler, but still offers a great set of tools for businesses looking to get started with email marketing. Now, one of the standout features of MailerLite is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, MailerLite is easy to navigate. The drag and drop editor allows you to create beautiful emails quickly with no coding required. It's not as customizable as Omnisend's email builder, but for most small businesses, it's more than enough. MailerLite also offers a solid set of email automation tools. You can set up welcome emails, promotional emails, and follow-up sequences that run automatically, saving you time and effort. In addition to email marketing, MailerLite also offers tools for building your email list. The platform has landing pages, pop-up forms, and other tools to help you grow your subscriber base. These tools are fairly simple, but they do the job well, and they're a big plus for businesses looking to build their email list without needing third-party software. MailerLite doesn't offer SMS marketing or push notifications like Omnisend does, so it's more focused on email. Now, that being said, it's still a great option for businesses that don't need all the advanced features that Omnisend offers, which is more affordable. If you're just starting out or have a small business, MailerLite is the clear winner in terms of affordability. It offers a generous free plan, and it's much more cost-effective for businesses with small email lists. However, if you're an e-commerce business and you need features like SMS marketing and push notifications, then Omnisend is worth the investment, even though it's pricier. Customer support. Customer support is one area where MailerLite and Omnisend differ. Both platforms offer excellent customer service, but the availability and quality of support vary. Omnisend. Now, one of the things Omnisend is praised for is its 24/7 support. Whether you're on a free plan or a paid plan, you can reach out for help at any time via live chat or email. However, some users have reported that the quality of support can be hit or miss, and issues can take a little longer to resolve during busier hours. MailerLite. MailerLite also offers 24/7 support. It's only available to users on its paid plans, though. The platform's known for its excellent customer service, with many users commenting on how helpful and responsive the support team is. If you're someone who needs fast help with a problem, then MailerLite may be the more reliable option for you. Which one's easier to use? When it comes to ease of use, MailerLite is often hailed as the more beginner-friendly option. The platform has a very clean, intuitive interface, and everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand. You won't feel overwhelmed when you log in for the first time, and you won't need to spend a lot of time learning how to use the software. Omnisend, while not difficult to use, is just a bit more complex. The extra features, especially the multi-channel marketing tools, mean that there's a bit of a learning curve. You'll need to spend more time figuring out how to set up automations, SMS, and push notifications if you want to take full advantage of the platform's capabilities. If I were choosing between the two, I'd personally go with Omnisend, even if it takes a little longer to learn. While MailerLite is definitely easier to pick up, simplicity can sometimes mean limitations. If you're serious about growing a business, especially in e-commerce, the ability to send SMS, push notifications, and behavior-based emails from one platform is a huge advantage. So, while MailerLite is great for getting started, Omnisend offers room to scale and maximize your marketing efforts. Now, pricing is always a key factor when choosing any software, and both platforms offer a free plan, but the details differ. Omnisend's pricing. Omnisend has a free plan, but it's quite limited. You get 500 emails per month and the ability to send messages to 250 contacts, which is great for testing out the platform. However, to unlock the more advanced features like SMS, push notifications, and advanced segmentation, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. The paid plans start at $16 per month when paying monthly, and as your subscriber list grows, so does the price. While this might sound pricey, keep in mind that you're getting more than just email marketing. The ability to send SMS messages and run retargeting ads makes it an excellent choice for businesses that want to do more than just email marketing. So again, taking a look at the pricing here, they have their free plan, which is good for 250 contacts, 500 emails per month, 500 web push notifications per month, 50 published reviews on Shopify, and you get $1 in free SMS credits to go ahead and try that out. Now, when you upgrade to the standard plan, which starts at $16 per month, or if you pay for 3 months up front, you can save 30%, and that comes out to $11.20 per month. This is good for up to 500 contacts at this price point, 6,000 emails per month, unlimited web push notifications, 1,000 published reviews on Shopify, Success Manager when your pricing goes to $400 per month, 24/7 priority support, and you get $1 in free global SMS credits to go ahead and try. And then there's the Pro plan, which starts at $59 per month when paying per month, or when you pay for 3 months up front, that goes down to $41.30. Now that pricing is good for up to 2,500 contacts, unlimited emails, unlimited web push notifications, unlimited published reviews on Shopify, and again, you get a Success Manager when your pricing gets up to $400 per month. You get 24/7 priority support and advanced reporting. Now on this plan, you're also going to get a monthly bonus in the dollar amount of your monthly payment. So if you pay for 3 months up front, which comes out to an effective $41.30 per month, you're going to get $41.30 per month in global SMS credits. Now that number goes up if you pay monthly and you pay $59 per month. You also get $59 in global SMS credits. So just something to keep in mind. And again, as your list grows, so will these prices. So we'll go up to 3,001 subscribers, up to 3,500. You can see the pricing for that. If your list really starts to grow, you get over 10,000. This is where the pricing is for Omnisend. MailerLite pricing. Now, on the other hand, MailerLite offers a very affordable pricing structure. It has a free plan that includes up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. And this is a lot more generous than Omnisend's free plan and makes MailerLite an excellent excellent choice for smaller businesses or those just getting started. The paid plans for MailerLite start at just $10 per month, and they're priced based on the number of subscribers that you have. The paid plans unlock additional features like advanced email automation, A/B testing, and priority support. For businesses on a tight budget, MailerLite's pricing structure is tough to beat. So taking a little bit further of a look at their plans, again, they have their free plan, which is good for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is honestly really great. You can send up to 12,000 emails per month, 1 user seat, and 24/7 email and chat support for up to 30 days. You also get the drag and drop editor, the email automation builder. You can build websites, 10 landing pages, comparative reporting, and sign up forms and pop-ups. Now, taking a look at their first paid plan, when you go ahead and choose to pay yearly, the growing business plan starts at $9 per month, billed at $108 per year. And that's good for up to 500 subscribers. Now, if you decide to pay monthly, that's $10 per month. So again, at that price point, that's good for up to 500 subscribers. You get unlimited monthly emails, 3 user seats. So that's good if you have other people who will be using this account or working in this account. 24/7 email support. You get everything in the free plan. Plus, you can sell digital products, unlimited templates, dynamic emails, campaign auto resend, multivariate testing, unlimited websites and blogs, unlimited landing pages, and unsubscribe page builder. The advanced plan, which is $18 per month if you pay annually for a total of $216, or $20 if you pay monthly. That's also the price point for 500 subscribers. You get unlimited monthly emails, unlimited user seats, 24/7 live chat and email support. And you can also get smart sending, a Facebook integration, custom HTML editor, promotion pop-ups, enhanced automations, preference center, AI writing assistant, and partner discounts. Now, as your list grows, let's go ahead and see how the pricing changes. So, if you get up to 8,000 subscribers, this is what it'll look like. You get up to 20,000 subscribers, this is what it'll look like. And all the way up to 500,000 email subscribers, which is absurd. This is the pricing. When should you choose which? You should choose Omnisend if you're an e-commerce business that needs multi-channel marketing. If you need advanced automation tools and you want to connect with your customers via SMS and push notifications. You have the budget to invest in a platform that offers more features for scaling your marketing efforts. Now, you should choose MailerLite if you're a small business or startup looking for an affordable, user-friendly email marketing platform. If you don't need advanced features like SMS or push notifications and you just want to focus on email campaigns. If you're just starting out and you want something simple that still delivers great results. Now, at the end of the day, the right choice depends on what you need from an email marketing platform. If I were running an e-commerce business, I'd go with Omnisend without hesitation. Yes, it's a bit pricier, but the ability to automate emails, SMS, and push notifications in one place makes it a far more powerful thing for driving sales. Now, the extra investment is worth it when you consider how much it can increase conversions. Now, that said, if I was just looking for a simple, no-fuss way to send emails and grow an audience without all the extra automation, MailerLite would be a solid choice. It's affordable, easy to use, and still effective for small businesses or creators who don't need advanced segmentation or multi-channel marketing. Now, the right choice really comes down to what you need, whether it's a simple and affordable email tool or a more advanced platform that helps you scale. Since both offer free plans, the best way to decide is to test them out and see which one fits your workflow better. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend or MailerLite, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which mean that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.